Why SkillsAware? Research suggests people have thousands of skills that they use daily, and that these skills are built over time through education, formal and informal training, experience on the job, and skills learned in life in general. SkillsAware includes a specially designed secure artificial intelligence system to capture and maintain evidence of the many skills that you have gained through work, study, and life experience. SkillsAware will prompt you to speak about your work experience and training, and ask you to provide evidence of these experiences. It is a two-way conversation. SkillsAware will review the information you provide and compare it to a collection of skill in units of competency. A unit of competency is a building block for nationally recognized vocational education and training in Australia. Each unit of competency describes the skills and knowledge required to perform a job function, usually in a particular context. SkillsAware will produce a number of summary reports that can be used by you and/or your employer. The reports can also be used by a nationally recognized training organization. SkillsIQ indicator digital badges and capability reports also allow an employer to search for the right person for a particular job or for specific skills. For more information on summary reports, watch Understanding SkillsIQ indicator digital badges and Understanding capability statements. After you have logged in, using the two-step verification process, you will be redirected to the SkillsAware homepage. We suggest you start your journey by reading the frequently asked questions. Once you're ready, select Discover Skills. Then it is time to start chatting. SkillsAware will ask you to tell it about your experiences. Start by entering some information about your current job, most recent job, qualifications you might have, and any targeted jobs you might have. Based on your answers, SkillsAware will continue the conversation. It may ask you to expand on some of your answers or upload some documents that will help it understand your experience. It is helpful to upload documents like your resume, CV, position statements, job descriptions, qualifications, first aid or other certificates, and even performance reports. These documents can come from your current job, previous jobs, or your life experiences. SkillsAware is able to read files in PDF, JPEG, JPG, and CSV. SkillsAware will review your documents and match your experience to information loaded in the back end of the system, aligned to units of competency from the National Training Package. Take some time to try the conversation format. It may seem strange at first, having a text message conversation with a robot, but you'll get used to it. If you want to review what evidence you've already provided, click on the circle with the 3 dots at the top of the right-hand side of the screen. A list will appear there. Click on View Skills to find the skills you have submitted for review. Here you will see both the provisional and issued SkillsIQ indicator digital badges. Let's take a closer look at what the report shows. Your name will be at the top of the digital badge, as well as the SkillsIQ indicator for the unit of competency code and title. The statement shows what SkillsAware has found based on the evidence and information you have provided. The system compared the information you provided to the unit of competency requirements. The evidence has not been verified by a human. The information helps identify skills, store the evidence, and provide a resource that can be shared. Each skill is listed in a box. Directly underneath it is a statement about the type of evidence that was provided. The level shown indicates whether the evidence has come from self, yourself, an organization, your employer or other organization, or a certifier, a formally recognized education body. The score shown indicates the likelihood that the evidence provided would be enough for formal recognition. The maximum possible score is 100%. A score of 100% would indicate that a mix of strong evidence has been provided by yourself, an organization, or a certifier. The Artifacts section displays links to the documents that have been used to produce the scores, also known as the SkillsIQ indicator. When selected, the evidence can be viewed. The evidence is embedded in the digital badge and can be viewed at any time. The Artifacts section displays links to the documents that have been used to produce the scores, also known as the SkillsIQ indicator. When selected, the evidence can be viewed. The evidence is embedded in the digital badge and can be viewed at any time. The capability statement is embedded in the Artifacts section at the bottom of the SkillsIQ indicator page, also known as a credential. The capability statement provides the chance of success, also known as the SkillsIQ indicator. This is the likelihood that you can apply the skills listed based on the evidence provided. In the first column of the assessment results section, all of the skills and skill statements are listed, as found in the unit of competency. The PCI circle graph column is a visual guide to the Personal Capability Index review score for each skill. This score includes evidence attributed to self, organization, and certifier. The reasoning column summarizes the reasoning that SkillsAware has used to make the review score. The assessment requirements section summarizes assessment requirements as listed in the unit of competency. This would help a registered training provider review the evidence for formal recognition towards a qualification. The Evidence Artifacts section lists and provides a description for the evidence provided and shows details of the review for the skills in the unit of competency. This section also provides reasoning for the score achieved and lists the file names of the attached artifacts, noting the type of evidence it is: self, organization, or certifier.